Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show how to set a stock item as a favorite in the Engineer app and how to make that stock item convert into equipment when it is installed on site. We'll also show how to require a serial number when that equipment is installed. We'll start on the stock page. Here you can see all stock items. We'll mark this item as a favorite. That means it will appear at the top for engineers and technicians. Now let's open the item and review its details. As we scroll down, you'll see a toggle called Install Equipment on Install. When this is enabled, anytime this part is fitted to a job, Field Ascend will prompt the engineer to create an equipment record for the site. So the part is fitted, and an equipment record is created automatically. That equipment then exists against the site for future jobs in history. We also have an option to ask for a serial number on install. When the stock item becomes equipment on site, the engineer will be prompted to enter the serial number before the equipment record is created. There are also defaults we can set, such as equipment type and status. For this demonstration, we'll leave those as they are and save the item. Further down, we also have stock tracking and stock transfer options. Tracking inventory means this stock list can work as a full inventory system. If tracking is turned off, the item can simply act as a parts price list for quotes and jobs without monitoring quantities or stock movements. When tracking is enabled, you can monitor cost price, sell price, and stock quantities, and you can transfer stock between locations when needed. We'll update the item, then show what this looks like for the technician on site. Next, I'll create a quick demonstration job and assign it to an engineer. I'll choose a customer and site for the demo. I won't add detailed job notes here. I'll just assign it to the engineer so we can see how the stock item behaves in the app. Now we can see that this job has been allocated. In the Engineer app, we'll search for job number 4424. We'll open the job and scroll down to the Materials section. From Materials, we can add manual parts with a description, price, and quantity, or we can add an item directly from stock. Because we marked the door mag lock as a favorite, it appears at the top. We can select it and add it to the job. This item also has accessories configured, so Field Ascend offers the option to add those accessories as well. For this demo, we'll skip them. Because the stock item is set to create equipment when installed, Field Ascend now asks for the serial number, as we configured earlier. We'll enter a test serial number. When we add it to the job, Field Ascend asks whether to add the new equipment to this job as well. This makes it appear in the equipment section so it can be reviewed, edited, and assigned a QR code. After confirming, the item is added from stock and one equipment record is created. The material is now stored on the job, and the stock movement has been recorded. If we scroll up to the job equipment section, we can see the new equipment. The door mag lock now exists as an equipment record in Field Ascend. We can see the status that was preset from the stock item. From here, we can edit the equipment record and manage its details. We can also assign a QR code. We can generate a QR code, view it, and add a photo of the equipment. The equipment description has already been carried through from the stock item. We can add any missing details, and the serial number has also been carried through from what the engineer entered when adding the stock item. Now we'll close the app screen and return to the office view. After refreshing the job page, we can see the equipment is now listed. It is attached to the job, and we can view or edit it from here. The equipment is now stored in the system and linked to the correct site. That means it will appear in site history and can be used on future jobs. That is how to add stock to a job, create equipment from that stock, and capture the serial number during installation. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.